Welcome to Ganga College of Allied Health Sciences, Coimbatore, where science meets compassion and healthcare careers are shaped with purpose. Our MSc Clinical Nutrition program builds expertise in therapeutic nutrition, dietetics, and evidence-based practice. Students receive hands-on training in hospital-based nutritional assessment, dietary planning, and interdisciplinary care. Guided by expert dietitians and physicians, they gain practical experience across diverse patient conditions. The program emphasizes research and innovation in clinical nutrition and personalized diet interventions. Clinical postings at Ganga Hospital ensure practical learning opportunities in specialties like orthopedics, plastic surgery, trauma care, pediatric medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, critical care, and emergency services. Our graduates are prepared and placed to serve in leading healthcare settings across the nation and the world. Join Ganga College of Allied Health Sciences and become a leader in healing through nutrition.